I spent over 65 hours testing Kit, Beehiiv, and these 7 other email marketing tools. So in this Kit versus Beehiiv comparison, I'll break down their key features like a landing page builder, email marketing automations, customer support, and their pricing plans. I'll also score both platforms out of 5 and give you my personal recommendations so that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which email marketing provider is best for you. Ease of use. Both platforms are easy to use, but Beehiiv takes the cake here. Kit's platform is pretty easy to use overall. Most features are straightforward, and the navigation makes sense with features organized by what you want to do, like grow, send, or earn. This goal-based organization helps you find what you need quickly. They also give you a simple 7-step checklist to get started, which is really helpful. However, some features seem quite similar at first glance, so it may take some time to get used to it. Beehiiv's platform is fast and easy to navigate. The layout makes sense, the interface is clean, and whether you're brand new to email marketing or you've been doing it for years, you'll feel comfortable right away. A dashboard gives you helpful suggestions for getting started, and there's a smooth campaign creation process that's simple to follow. There's also a help button you can click from almost anywhere on the platform when you need that personal support. Kit offers a visual editor that's fast and easy to understand, but it doesn't provide the drag and drop flexibility you find in other platforms. Instead, you add content by typing / or by clicking the plus button. It's different from what most people expect, but once you get used to it, it works well. What impressed me is the range of content you can add, up to 27 different content types, including polls, countdown timers, and even Spotify. Beehiiv uses similar visual editor to Kit and doesn't provide the drag and drop flexibility you find in other platforms either. Instead, it's made up of building blocks, ranging from coded sections and plain text to images, block quotes, and tables. It even has advanced content types like social media embeds and polls. Kit has 15 email templates for you to choose from, but some seem pretty basic compared to what you get with other email marketing platforms. If you know some code, you can upload HTML to create your own template. While you can save templates and content snippets to reuse in other emails, you can't set styles globally, so your brand fonts and colors can automatically apply to all templates. This is where Beehiiv falls short. While you can add HTML snippets to your posts, you can't upload your own HTML email template. Another thing is that Beehiiv only offers 7 plain email templates here. In most cases, you'll have to build your own templates yourself, which can be time-consuming if you're not sure how to design a newsletter. Kit provides a good selection of 53 modern-looking landing page templates, and there's no limit to how many you can create. However, the design modification options are limited, and the usability is poor compared to competitors. You also can't A/B test your landing pages. One good thing though is you can add your own domain, even on the free plan. You can also create embedded, pop-up, and slide-in forms with some nice designs to help you build your email list. Technically, you can create a very basic landing page using Beehiiv's website builder, but there's no pre-made templates to pull from, and you won't have much control over the design. Beehiiv's embedded form are also very basic. There's no templates to start with, and adding any field besides email address requires you to create a custom field, which isn't straightforward. I also found the form editor a bit glitchy, and you can only embed forms using JavaScript, meaning there's no way to tweak the design's HTML or CSS. Ease of use is a tie, as both Kit and Beehiiv are simple and beginner-friendly, but each has its own style. While Kit offers more content types and goal-based navigation, Beehiiv's clean design and simple workflow make it easier for most users, especially those new to email marketing. Features. Both platforms handle segmentation well, but at different complexity levels. Kit allows you to import subscribers with CSV method or directly from tools like ActiveCampaign and MailChimp, which makes it so easy to migrate. The tagging system is really flexible when adding or removing users from campaigns and email sequences. You can also create segments based on opens, clicks, and purchases. Beehiiv segmentation features are powerful. You can group subscribers based on attributes, engagement, sign-up forms, and survey responses. You can also choose between static and dynamic segments, which update daily. Kit's visual automations features lets you build customized sequences based on specific triggers like subscribing to a form or making a purchase. You can then set actions like adding a tag or subscribing them to sequences. It's missing some more advanced automations though, like those triggered by abandoned carts and lead scores. You also can't split tests within automations. Beehiiv's automations are only available on paid plans, but they offer good customization. You can create welcome series and multi-step automation with multiple triggers, custom conditions, and time delays. However, you can't trigger automations based on email opens and clicks, or send abandoned cart campaigns. Kit has 37 native integrations with platforms like Canva, Shopify, and Thinkific through their App Store. There's another 135 more available under their legacy integrations. However, some integrations here will require more work to set up, which can be a bit annoying. Beehiiv has 28 native integrations with key platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and WooCommerce, which makes workflow much easier. The Zapier integration opens up connections to hundreds of additional tools for more flexibility, and the Stripe connection is also really handy for accepting payments straight from the platform. Kit lets you sell digital products straight from their platform. Their built-in connection with Stripe and 0% fee is a great option to start selling your digital downloads without paying for another subscription service. They also let you create a paid newsletter, and even within a newsletter, you can activate paid recommendations and earn more money by recommending other creators. Not many other competitors offer these features, and it's another great way to make extra income. Beehiiv, though, also lets you create paid newsletter, and they also have a similar feature to Kit's paid recommendation called Ad Network and Boost Network. The Ad Network helps you find sponsors and advertisers, while the Boost Network lets you promote your newsletter to other creators' audiences. Kit's reporting includes open and click rates, bounce rates, and an engagement funnel. The Pro plan adds features like subscriber sentiment tracking and customer journey insights, but Kit's reports are not as advanced as some tools that offer heat map or custom reports. Beehiiv offers solid analytics tools that cover the basics for newsletter publishers. The dashboard provides a clear overview of open rate, click rates, and subscriber growth. One of the strengths is the ability to track revenue directly within the platform, a big plus for creators using Beehiiv's monetization features. I also like their verified clicks feature, which proportion of clicks are legitimate versus bot clicks. Beehiiv wins features with better segmentation and more detailed reporting and analytics. While Kit is great for creators who want to sell products and paid newsletters, Beehiiv's newsletter-first focus, dynamic segments, and ad network make it the better choice for most newsletter creators. Customer support. Kit offers superior migration support. They'll personally migrate your account to Kit when you sign up to their Creator or Pro plan. If you have fewer than 5,000 subscribers, they'll help move over subscriber lists, tags, groups, and segments. And for more than 5,000 subscribers, you'll also get help migrating forms, emails, automations, templates, and integrations, all for free. This is much more comprehensive than what most competitors offer. Beehiiv doesn't offer hands-on migration support. They position themselves as a self-serve platform instead. While their customer success team can guide you through the process, you'll have to do the heavy lifting yourself, importing contacts, recreating automations, and all that. But if you're moving from Substack, there's a guided mapping tool that transfers paid customer via Stripe, which can come in very handy. Both platforms have mixed customer satisfaction rating. Kit has a low 1.7 rating on Trustpilot, but this is based on only 22 reviews, so it may not be a fair reflection. Most complaints are about customer service and unexpected renewal charges, so keep an eye out on your billing. Beehiiv has a 3.6 rating with over 200 reviews, which is a decent score overall, but not that great. So their biggest complaint that keeps coming up is about accounts and payments problem, including accounts being banned or restricted without clear explanation, and a very rigid refund policy. Many users mention slow and unhelpful support on these situations, so be aware. Kit provides great customer support, even on the free plan. Responses come back fairly quickly and they provide clear explanation. You can contact them via email on the free plan and 24/7 live chat on the Creator and Creator Pro plans, which is very handy. They also provide useful tutorials, even though some could be a bit more detailed. On Beehiiv, Users can contact support through submitting tickets or getting help through their extensive catalog of tutorials and guides. Response time can vary, but they only respond during business hours. And while there's an AI-powered chatbot available 24/7, there's no live chat support with real human, which can be frustrating when you need urgent help. Kit wins customer support with better migration help and 24/7 live chat on paid plans. While Beehiiv has a higher Trustpilot rating, Kit's personalized migration help and 24/7 live chat make it a better choice in this category. Pricing. Kit offers a free plan for up to 10,000 subscribers, which is the best in the industry. The free plan includes basic features like email campaigns, landing pages, and forms, but you'll need to upgrade to use their advanced automations and monetization features. Now, for 5,000 subscribers, you'll pay $89 per month on the Creator plan, and Creator Pro jumping up to $139 per month. Beehiiv also offers a free launch plan for up to 2,500 subscribers, which is more generous than many competitors, but not quite as good as Kit. Their scale plan starts at $89 per month for 5,000 subscribers, and if you jump to the max plan, prices go up to $169 per month. Pricing is a tie, with Kit offering a more generous free plan and Beehiiv offering lower prices for larger lists. Kit's free plans support up to 10,000 subscribers, while Beehiiv's is limited to 2,500. For larger lists, Beehiiv is cheaper, but Kit's extra monetization features may be worth the extra cost for creators. I also have a special discount to save you money on both of these tools, so check out the links in the description below. Overall, it's just about a tie. This is one of the toughest comparisons because both platforms score very high marks overall. Beehiiv is the best choice for most specialized newsletter creators who want an easy setup and unique monetization options. Kit is perfect for creators who want to sell digital products, run paid newsletters, and need a generous free plan. So now that you're ready to get started with Kit or Beehiiv, I recommend watching this full Kit tutorial or Beehiiv tutorial next and get started.